Hi everyone. I'm going to be presenting about my project. My project is energy audit using deep data analytics for buildings energy conservation measures. So the presentation contains the introduction to the study and the methodology. These are the breakdowns for the first chapter, which is introduction, research problem, aims and objectives, and justification of the research. Concept design and research methodology includes an investigation of techniques, methodology used, and the concept designs derived from the fundamental principles. As we all know that the energy expenditure in the whole world is getting larger day by day, and then which this leads to a greater amount of carbon emissions and greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere, which needs to be controlled. So in order to control this, we need to audit and quantify how much energy we're using and where we can reduce the energy usage. So this is how the project is going to go. The exponential rise of the human population is where the total reliance of electrical and technological equipment has raised the need of energy generation, as we all know. And it requires accurate energy management systems that can estimate the customer consumption for the future regulation. So the energy audits are mostly done manually these days, which takes a lot of manpower and time to get it done. So in this project, all we need is a data set, or the customer needs to input the data values, and it will automatically audit the energy. Due to high amounts of energy usage in the buildings, it is necessary to have an efficient way to audit energy and use energy usage and provide energy into conservation measures. So the aim of the project is to develop a model for energy audit using deep data analytics. The objectives include analyze energy audit of the buildings, design an algorithm for energy audit using deep data analytics, and evaluate energy consumption data and provide solutions on the energy conservation measures. Energy auditing has become a must in electricity-related collaborations, as this is responsible for the greenhouse emissions vastly. Most of these energy audits are conducted manually as of now. So in this study, the model of the energy audit will be developed so that the process would be automated. Few softwares which can be used for the model includes MATLAB, Python, and R. These three softwares will be assessed for sustainability, pros and cons before opting one. And for the database management, MySQL or NoSQL will be chosen based on further research. For the methodology, first, a data set is collected and the system is designed in two ways. Well, it's either the user can enter the data manually into the system, or they can upload a data set which needs to be in a certain format. And then arithmetic calculations are performed in the system after the data is uploaded, and then energy and cost saving values are given as output after relevant calculations. Energy conservation measures, including are also suggested as an output, which includes retrofitting or the energy usage, which can be where it can be reduced, or all those things. There are two main parts of the model, and outputs are given based on calculations done in the background, and then energy conservation methods are also suggested afterwards. Programming language R is used for the programming as it is a specialized language for data analysis. This is a small part of a data set where the data set I have used for this project has data over 4 years, 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010, over 12 months of periods for each year, which has the data for each minute of each day continuously. So it's a big data set. This is the concept design for where the customer inputs the data manually. This is for the database where it reads from the database. There is a sample of calculations which will be used in the concept is in the process development of develop energy audit system. These are the calculations which will run in the background. This is an example for it. This is the code for the energy consumption plot where it plots the monthly. I have this one is the data set for the monthly, which I have shown previously here. For example, this is the main data set. From this, I have sorted out monthly data and then daily data as well. So for this is for the monthly data where for 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010, how the monthly data is used, how the trend is observed. We can see it from this plot. This is the plot again. And this is for the daily usage. For example, this is the highest, in this case, this is the highest usage in 2007, for example. So I've taken January, December, and February and plotted how the data is used each daily to see if there's a corresponding match or like any trend where there are certain usages of energy per day or anything like that. So this is the daily plot, and this is basically how the project works. Thank you very much.